Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what's quietly killing your Instagram engagement in 2025. With every year, the engagement algorithm changes. So if you use the previous tactics, then there are chances that you're killing your Instagram engagement and you have to stop it. So for that reason, first you have to make sure that you have the Instagram and also the business meta suits. So first you have to simply open up your Instagram app and you will be onto its home page. Then you have to go to your profile. So for that reason, go to your profile, and after that you just have to simply create a post, or you can also create a reel to upload. And while uploading, there are some changings that you have to work on so that you should keep your engagement good. So first you have to make sure that you should apply the trending music. So for that you can click onto that music icon and make sure you always use the music from the Instagram app. Like, do not add it from any other editing app, then upload the video. If you use the trending app, then your video will go to for you or the explore page. And once you have it edit, you can also select out different elements like these effects and filters if you like, and other editing options as well. And after that you have to simply add a caption. Make sure to add a good caption related to your post, and also add hashtags. Hashtags are very much important. Always add at least 3 hashtags. You can add more than 3, but the limit for the minimum is 3. So just simply add something related or something trending hashtags, and once you're done, just simply upload it. And there are other options you can also check if you would like to. If you find anything useful, you can also apply it. And after that, you just have to simply share the post. So if you're not adding the hashtags, if you're not adding the trending music, then you're killing your engagement, because these things get you more reach and engagement on your post. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.